In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Rockstar Games account from your Steam account. So first go into a browser and then search for Rockstar Games. And then over here, make sure to sign into your account. In this case, I'm already signed in. And then click on Account and then click on Settings. And then over here, click on Linked Accounts. So this is where your Steam is going to look. This is where you're going to know if your Steam account is actually linked. It would appear like this, so it would appear as another panel. But the problem is other people tell you that if you see your Steam account here, just click on Unlink, but the truth is you'll not see Unlink just like this card right here. You'll see Info, and when you click on Info, you just see that Steam accounts are permanently linked to Rockstar Games accounts. So the only way to unlink your Steam account is to submit a manual support ticket. So click on your profile icon right here, and then click on Help, Support, and then scroll down, or just click on Submit Request over here at the top right, and then click on Account, select Account Settings, Linking and Unlinking, and then you can scroll down until you see the submitted ticket details here. So over here you can just give them your Steam ID, and if you don't know where to get your Steam ID, you can just go to Steam, and then over here click on your profile, account details, and then over here you'll see your Steam ID. Just copy it, go back to submit a request, and then just give them your Steam ID and tell them I want to unlink my Steam account from Rockstar Games. And then once you submit it, they'll take about like 24 hours to respond, and they will do it manually for you. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.